Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to split screen on Android. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. There are two ways you can use to split screen on your Android phone. But first, you need to go ahead and open the settings app. On your settings, you want to scroll down and click on advanced features. Then locate and click on multi-window. On multi-window, you want to turn on every options you have under multi-window. This includes swipe for split screen, swipe for pop-up view, and full screen in split screen view. Now after that, whenever you want to use a split screen on your Android phone, then go ahead and open your first application. This could be any application of your choice, and once opened, you can use your two fingers, just swipe up on your phone like this, and it's going to create a split screen on your iPhone. You can now go ahead and open the second application. Alternatively, if you don't want to use two fingers, what you can simply do is simple. Just locate the application where you want to use the split screen, like this. Click on it to open it. Then swipe up to open all recent applications. Locate and click on the application where you want to use split screen logo. Now you should say open in split screen view. Go ahead and select that. Then that is going to open the application in split screen view on your phone. So that's exactly how to split screen on Android. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.